King of glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is availing love. That you would take my place, that you would bear my cross. You would lay down your life, that I would be set free. Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Chaos back into order, who makes the orphan a son and daughter, the King of glory, the King above all kings, who rules the nations with truth and justice, shine like the sun in all of his brilliance, the King of glory, the King above all kings.